Some people are saying they're getting it early. I have no idea. I don't know if they're lying or if they're speaking the truth, but I want to get this record, bro. I want to get this record. So, about a minute left. Which map, guys? Guys, if it's on the purple one, bro, I swear, if it's on the purple one.
It's hot, bro, it's hot, man. I don't think there's not a chance to be a purple one.
I would actually be so happy if it was on the purple one.
Imagine
Because I would have an
it's gonna be
excuse
the
to make it
train
die.
map on the
Free
stream
content.
mode.
Alright, who's it gonna be?
I don't think
Alright.
no Bobs
Less
can
than 1 minute
spawn
left.
in the stream map.
Alright, guys. Let's get ready.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, I think it's home.
Ugh.
I think it's home, guys. Guys, it might be home.
If it's Hob, bro, I might actually scream. I'm lying,
If
by the
it's
way. I wouldn't want to scream.
Bear B, I will die to death.
If it's Baird, that'd be really cool if it was Baird. Alright, 30 seconds, guys. Alright.
Guys, 30 seconds left. We got 20 seconds left, guys.
Alright, guys. Countdown at 10, alright? Countdown at 10. Alright, let's get ready. Let's get ready.
Imagine it's gonna be the train map on the stream mode.
Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, who is it?
Oh.
It's oh my goodness! Ancient world? Wait, what is an ancient world? Which one is an ancient world? Wait, which one's an ancient world? Like, this one? Ancient world. What does ancient world mean? Ancient, like... Okay, I think it might be referring to this. I'm gonna be late. I'm so late. I'm actually so late.